Hello everyone, I am Pushpendra Kumar Kure, Assistant Professor, Sri Rawatpura Sarkari University. Today's topic is drug abuse and its prevention. First introduction part देखते हैं drug abuse, drug addiction and drug tolerance. First, drug abuse. Drug abuse is the non-permissive consumption of certain substance that may lead to physical and psychological dependence. Second, drug addiction. Drug addiction is psychological and physical inability to stop consuming a chemical, drugs, activity or substance even though it is causing psychological and physical harm. Third, drug tolerance. ड्रग टॉलरेंस होता क्या है? रिड्यूस एक्शन टू अ ड्रग फॉलोइंग इट्स रिपीटेड यूज. commonly ड्रग अब्यूज्ड है आपका फर्स्ट marijuana, कोकीन, हीरोइन, एल्कोहल. प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ड्रग में वही ड्रग आते हैं जिनको डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं. लास्ट, इनहेलेंट्स. Statement of the problems. More than quarterly a billion people are drugged globally. It is estimated that 2016 some 275 million people worldwide had used drug at least once in the previous year. Range 204 millions to 246 millions. In 2016, 13.8 million young people, mostly students aged 15 to 16 year, used cannabis at least once over the 12 months, equivalent to 5 to 6% of the population in this age range. सबसे ज़्यादा कंजप्शन होने वाले ड्रग्स हैं एल्कोहल. ऑलमोस्ट 60% इसका कंजप्शन होता है. 5 कॉजेस ऑफ एडिक्शन. एडिक्शन के 5 कारण: क्रोनिक, लूज ऑफ कंट्रोल, कंपल्सन, यूज डिस्पाइट निगेटिव्स कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, क्रेविंग्स. वाई एडोलसेंट एब्यूज ड्रग. Curiosity, peer pressure, adult modeling, relief of discomfort, depressions, family disruptions. Sign of drug abuse. First, physical warnings. Pupils large or smaller than usual. Change in appetite or sleep pattern, sudden weight loss and weight gain, deterioration of physical appearance, unusual smell or breath, impaired coordinations. सेकेंड है बिहेवियर वार्निंग. बिहेवियर में क्या क्या चेंजेस आते हैं ड्रग एब्यूज से? पुअर वर्क, डिक्लाइन इन परफॉर्मेंस, फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम, सडन चेंज इन फ्रेंड एंड एसोसिएट्स, accident or trouble prone, lack of motivation and withdrawn. Effects of drug abuse to oneself: change in physical and psychological aspects, loss of control, poor judgment, memory loss. Death. फैमिली में क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है इसका? टू फैमिली: dysfunctions of the family, anxiety, fear, anger, embarrassment और guilt. To the community में ड्रग एब्यूज का क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है? हायर क्राइम रेट, इकोनॉमिकल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, लॉस ऑफ फेम, रेपुटेशंस. प्रिवेंशन ऑफ ड्रग कंट्रोल्स. अब देखते हैं इनका प्रिवेंशन ड्रग एब्यूज से हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. First, education and counseling organization, youth centers. Be bold and say no. alternate activity, joining sport or social activity. It is only increase your social circle but also improve your social esteem. Avoid the situation where you know people will be using drugs. Have friends who do not abuse drugs. Have clear defined goals. Have healthy competitions. Be committed to follow rules and laws. Be there in a loving and functional family. Conclusion: the drug abuse is a seriously physiological problem often difficult to be cured. The best way to avoid this tragedy is to never start taking drugs. Thank you.